Today, we review the best 5 mixing spatulas that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
OXO Good Grips 3-Piece Silicone Spatula. The OXO Good Grips Silicone Spatula set was designed for use with non-stick bakeware and cookware. The set comprises of a small green-colored spatula, a medium white-colored spatula, and a raspberry spoon spatula.
Number 2.
StarPack Basics Range Silicone Spatula Spoon. If you are looking for a solid silicone spatula that would not scratch your non-stick pans and can perfectly mix your cake batter and fry eggs, then you should consider adding the StarPack Basics Range Silicone Spatula Spoon to your collection.
Number 3.
Get It Right Spatula. If you are looking for a spatula with a flexible blade that can make it easy to maneuver dry mixes, liquid and food, then you must consider investing in a Get It Right red spatula.
Number 4.
OXO Good Grips Jar Spatula. Each spatula features a non-slip grip that is comfortable and soft. It is safe for both non-coated and coated bakeware and cookware. You can easily reach into jars of mayonnaise and peanut butter with this jar spatula.
Number 5.
Helen's Asian Bamboo Stir-Fry Spatula. This bamboo stir-fry spatula makes cooking a breeze. It helps you accomplish all your basic kitchen tasks such as serving, turning, tasting, mixing and stirring in no time. The ease with which it tackles all kitchen tasks makes it quite a popular option.